Hey guys, welcome to
Old Town Kissimmee. The first time we visited was 2 years ago when we were in Florida, and it was a brief visit because we were a little ways up the street. But since we've been at this campground, we've visited, I don't know, I think we're here every day.
Yeah.
I mean, we're here every morning to run, and then Friday nights and Saturday nights for the car shows. So on Friday nights, it's the muscle cars. And then on Saturday nights, it's the classic cars.
That's right.
So what's cool about this place is not only is it fun because of all of the rides and all of the fun, and it has this kind of carnival atmosphere, but also because you could spend as little or as much money as you want here and still have a good time. For us, we would come on Fridays and Saturday nights to walk feet, and there was always something to see, and it was a really fun environment. So we really enjoyed having our campground nearby because we've really made the most of being close to this Kissimmee location. And on top of it, Dory had a great haircut over here. So if you haven't been to Old Town Kissimmee, it does have this kind of fair or carnival atmosphere to it. And again, you can have an outing that's inexpensive, which we like.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Old Vegas. You could buy your beers and just walk up and down and drink and listen to music. They have some karaoke bars going on. They had some line dancing going on. You could see the cars, you talk to the owners, and they have all sort of cars, like going from muscle cars to old Chevys and classic cars, and yeah, it's really interesting. Also, there's tons of food over here, a lot of restaurants, so you have for all tastes. You have your pizza, you have your greasy spoons, you have everything. And you have cool roller coasters.
Yeah, like this one going right now. So if you happen to be in the area, do not hesitate, come check it out, especially if you're here on the weekend and you're looking for something to do. We definitely recommend a Friday or Saturday night so you can check out the car shows.
So we're checking out Old Town Kissimmee for the second time in 3 years. Why? Because our campground is about a 5-minute walk.
Yeah, about that.
So yeah, campground is 5-minute walk from here. So we just finished dinner. Now we're digesting a little, and there's a nice car show. Let's go check that out.
So that wraps up our review of Old Town Kissimmee. We enjoyed it even more than the first time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.